Hey guys!
Welcome back to Benthic Baddies.
Today we have a special episode and it's a video project for our photosynthesis unit.
We thought it'd be very on brand, so let's get into it.
Layla, you gotta be really careful. If you mess it up, something bad could happen.
I know we're not supposed to do this, but I think it's funny. What is going on with that?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Where did Eleanor and Layla go?
We're right here!
Liz!
What are we supposed to do?
Let's go see if we can find some help.
Look at these leaves. We can see nature and photosynthesis so up close.
But we did not find help.
But let's use this opportunity to talk about photosynthesis!
Plants get their materials for photosynthesis from the sun, soil, and oxygen. Photosynthesis is the process by which carbon dioxide and water are converted into oxygen and glucose. This categorizes plants as autotrophs, as they make their own food from simple organic matter, such as oxygen. Humans are heterotrophs because they get their nutrition from external and complex substances.
Sun shines through the leaf and into the chloroplasts, which are full with chlorophyll. Plants absorb red and blue light and reflect green light, which gives them their green color.
In the first stage of photosynthesis, light is absorbed in the chloroplast. H2O is broken down as the oxygen is stripped away from the hydrogen. Energized electrons enter the electron transport chain.
The positively charged hydrogen atoms follow the electrons and transfer through the membrane. Once all the atoms have made it through the membrane, the second stage of photosynthesis can occur.
In the second stage of photosynthesis, the electrons and hydrogen go through the ATP synthase and supply their extra energy to turn ADP into ATP. Then stage 3 can start.
In the third stage of photosynthesis, light-independent reactions occur in the stroma. CO2 is used during this step of the process. The carbon dioxide molecules enter the Calvin cycle, and after 2 full cycles, glucose is created. Glucose is a simple sugar that plants use as food.
Humans and plants both go through the process of cellular respiration. They take in oxygen and glucose, whether they make the glucose themselves or receive it from other organisms.
It takes energy to break down this food, and this process is called metabolism. During cellular respiration, oxygen and glucose are converted to water and carbon dioxide. The equation for this is C6H12O6 glucose plus 6O2 oxygen becomes 6CO2 carbon dioxide plus 6H2O water plus ATP energy. The equation for cellular respiration is pretty much the opposite of the equation for photosynthesis. Cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria.
Eleanor, I want to go back to class. I want to be normal again.
I know, I miss Liz. Maybe, through the power of photosynthesis, these leaves can turn us back into normal.
Yeah, let's try.
Let's
what
try.
else is there to lose?
Okay.
Yeah! Quick, let's go back to class. I think Liz is probably worried about us.